Hello, in this flag in 50 seconds we're looking at Easter Island. This white flag features a reimiro, which is a wooden pectoral ornament once worn by the people of Rapa Nui, painted red, which is a symbol of strength, and has two anthropomorphic figures at each end representing the ariki, which is the chiefs or the noblemen. This flag was first flown on the 9th of May 2006 and replaced a similar flag which had 4 Tangata manu, or birdmen, in each of the corners. The islanders first made contact with the outside world on Easter Sunday 1722, hence the name. These European strangers brought with them animals and disease which pretty much devastated the local population. The island became a special territory of Chile in 1888. Easter Island is also famous for its moai statues. At first most people thinking they were just heads, until they realised actually they were full bodies just buried up to their necks and were around 4 metres high, with the highest statue being a little over 9 metres. The pectoral flag of Easter Island.